All right, good morning. I'm here with Sam Stark at Jones Hall in our welding classroom. You can see behind us we have our virtual welder behind Sam over there, and kind of helps take place of some of the actual welding machines that we have in the lab that we're going to visit here shortly. But I wanted to ask Sam some questions because at our Martin Luther King ceremony, Martin Luther King Jr. ceremony last week, Sam, you were among a small group of people that received the Kirkwood Difference Award. What does that honor mean to you?
It's a great honor, honestly, to know that I've influenced someone's life in a positive way. It's something I've strived for my whole teaching career so far.
Perfect. I think there was 7 or 8 people in the college that got that award. Mm-hmm. So very nice award. It was in front of the entire faculty and staff at Kirkwood before we kick off the spring semester. So the award lists 3 qualities that you have shown: encourage students, enable students, and inspire students in a field like welding that doesn't change drastically in scope. Or how do you demonstrate those 3 qualities every day?
So I don't really start my day thinking of how I'm going to demonstrate those qualities or how I'm going to get students to be more inspired or engage in the activities. It's just simple conversations, the one-on-one interactions that I have with the students, and they'll have an idea to try something and I influence them to try it. And whether it works for them or whether it fails, they need that little push to kind of try something different, kind of get outside of their bubble. And the thing that we all instructors look for is that light bulb, to kind of that switch to go off, and all of a sudden they connect and they understand everything. That's why we do this.
Yeah, that's the fun part, isn't it?
That it is.